Hi, I am the Networth chick. I am all about the Benjamins, the dineros, the dollars, the loot, whatever you call your money. Thank you for checking out my channel. Here you will find out how to increase your net worth from repairing your credit to how to make more money. Please subscribe so that you won't miss a thing. Now let's get to it. This video is on how to get inquiries off of your credit report. Okay. First, there are two types of inquiries. There are soft inquiries and there are hard inquiries. Soft inquiries do not drop your credit score. A soft inquiry comes from when you pull your credit, when companies looking to send you a pre-approval, such as a credit card company pulls your credit, when your employer pulls your credit, your landlord pulls your credit, a bank pulls your credit, or even the credit cards that you currently have. They will pull your credit to see if they want to increase your credit limit or decrease your credit limit based upon what your credit score is saying. Now, the hard inquiries will affect your credit score, and I have seen it affect your credit score up to 4 points. Hard inquiries are also known as a hard pull. Anytime you apply for any type of credit, the company will pull your credit report to see if they want to extend the credit to you or not. And this is called a hard credit pull. Hard credit pulls, they do affect your credit score for 2 years. And after 6 months, they only have 1/2 of the effect on your credit score. So if pulling your credit, you lost 4 points on your score, then after 6 months, you'll regain 2 points. Again, 4 points is the most that I've seen. How do you get the inquiry off of your credit report? Well, first of all, soft inquiries, you don't have to worry about getting them off of your credit report because they don't affect your score. So we're talking about hard inquiries. The first thing that you want to do is you want to call the credit bureaus where the inquiries are on those particular credit reports and let them know that you want to dispute an unauthorized inquiry and ask them to take it off of your credit report. Now, if they do not take it off of your credit report, the next thing that you want to do is you want to write the credit bureaus a letter and disputing the inquiry, and you want to refer to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, Section 1681 BC. That deals with privacy. And basically what it says is that your credit report is private information, and in order for someone to pull your credit, you have to give them permission. So you ask the credit bureaus to validate these inquiries, and when they validate the inquiry, they need to send you a copy of the application that you signed stating that it was okay for this company to pull your credit report. The credit bureau has 30 days to give you an answer. Now, if this doesn't resolve the issue and gets the inquiries off of your credit report after 30 days, you send the letter again to the credit bureau, and you also send it to the creditor who actually did the inquiry on your credit report. Again, give them 30 days and this shall take care of the situation. Now, if you want to see a copy of the letter that you write to the credit bureau and to the creditors, I suggest that you check out Credit Secrets. The link is below in the description area. And that'll be a great supplement to use for the videos that I'm sharing on how to clean up your credit. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and share, and put your questions down in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.